Thing you'll need is treats to do your tricks with. Oh, yeah, good boy. You'll also need shoes. They're also like treats, but they're not quite. And they're quite nice to get the dog distracted. Then I'm gonna give him a treat. And this isn't a treat, it's like a chew. Come in. Good boy. Up, up. So you're gonna ask him to sit. Poof, poof. Oh, he's whining. So you're gonna put it on the floor, take it somewhere. You're gonna follow him, and I've got the brush. Look at that fur. He hates the brush, but while he's eating this, he doesn't really mind it. So you're gonna brush him. Just brush him. And he doesn't look any better, but final thing you will need is toys. Now he has toys scattered around everywhere, and they're really good. Oh, what are you doing? And his favourite toy is this one. So I'm gonna throw it for him. So just to let you know, I know my videos are called MP Hamster videos, but I might be doing some different stuff on there, so that is cool. So bye.